Let's look at genotypic versus phenotypic ratio. So we look here, we have two plants here, and then they are both heterozygous. Let's say we are looking for the height. This is a monohybrid cross. So we take T for tall height, and we take the small t for short height. Okay, so let's do the cross here and see what we get. So we have TT here, and then we have TT. Okay, this we have T. Okay, so we have T, and then this we have small t. So these are the possible combinations. So now, what is the genotypic ratio of this cross? Now, genotype, when we talk about genotype, we're talking about the combinations, like as we can see, the TT. So we look at it. Genotypic ratio simply means how many of these possible offsprings, how many of these offspring look different. So how many different combinations can we see here? This is big T, big T, big T, big T. We have big T, small t, we have big T, small t, and then we have small t, small t. So the genotypic ratio will be, so we have one big T, which is 1, is 2. The next one is big T, small t, and big T, small t appeared twice. So we have 2. Then the next one is small t, which appeared once. So we have 1:2:1. And the genotypic ratio, but the phenotypic ratio is different. Here we can see that 3 of these possible gametes are going to be tall, and then this one is going to be short, because here we have big T will be tall. Okay, let's write it down. Phenotypic ratio. So big T is going to be tall. Okay, so big T, small t is going to be tall too, because there is one big T. As long as you have one big T, the dominant trait will express. Big T, small t, tall. Okay, so we have 3 tall gametes there, or offspring. So we have 3:2. Then we have small t, short. Small t, short, because it is recessive. So we have 1. So in this same cross, we can see that the genotypic ratio is different from the phenotypic ratio. So here the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. 1:2:1. While the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. All of these 3 are going to be tall. That's what it means. All of these 3 are going to be tall. That's what it means. Then only this one is going to be short. That's the phenotype. So phenotypic ratio is talking about the observable character, what we can see. So we can see that these 3 are going to be tall. So that's the phenotype, 3:1, while only 1 is going to be short. But the genotype, we're talking about the different combinations of the alleles here. So here we have TT, which is 1, appeared one time, and then big T, small t appeared twice, so we have 2, and then small t appeared once. So here we have 1:2:1, and then this one we have 3:1.